having an R&R. I'm in Defiance, Ohio. Well, my delivery is, they're still loading it, you know. And I'm just waiting, so I'm killing time, vlogging. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's going on. Let's head to the river, the bridge, see what's going on. Wow, that's a nice building right there. Defiance, Ohio. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. Look at that. Nice. All right, let's go out then to the bridge. The bridge over there. It's got a little bar there too. Well, let's go out there, see what's up. Not bad. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah. Just trying to see what's going on. Check out the river. This is the Maumee River, I think. This connects to Toledo, Ohio. Oh, I would love to go on that bridge on the other side. Look at that. Oh, I think that is nice. That's nice. The Purple Heart Bridge, dedicated December 9, 2019. It's nice. Yeah, and it's on the other side too. Let's go check this one first here. Let's get in the middle. That looks so nice. Look at that. Nice. That is beautiful. Clean. Alright. Let's move on the other side. Let's go to the other side of the bridge. Let's go run. Let's go run. Oh man, that looks so nice. Look at that, it's a big river. Let's head back downtown, back there. Actually, yeah, that's a bar right there. That's nice. And you have the First Street and the Clinton Street. Oh, I know. What is this? Oh, Masonic Temple. It's a nice temple. Yeah, it's nice. It's built nice too. It's not. It's closed. And then we go out there. It's so beautiful in there. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's very nice. Oh yeah. Let's go around. It's nice. The building looks very beautiful. Yeah, I think it's really nice. You can see, and it's good. Oh, that's a nice bike. Yeah, but yeah, dude, I like to watch around, look around, see what's going on downtown. Ah, that is nice right there. That's a nice building. Yeah, I think that's the courthouse. Yeah. How you doing, sir? in memory. You have Armed Forces, United States of America. A memorial to all who served in the Navy, Armed Guard, and Merchant Marines. That's it. Oh. Spectacular. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, dedicated to those who paid the supreme price. World War II, man. That's what they're fighting for. Look at that. The memorial. The global war. That's messed up. That's messed up. Nice. Defiance, Ohio downtown is nice. All right. Okay, man, this is a nice place. Look at that. Nice. This is a nice downtown. It's lively, you know. All kinds of cabin fever coffee. You got nice. Woo. This is nice. I am just, yeah. Defiance karate. This is Defiance, Ohio. It's beautiful. Downtown is good. Wow, it's an old cathedral over there. I'm not gonna go there because, you know, I'm not into church. But look at that. Nice. Let's go out here, check it out. See this what is this? Is this the courthouse or the Defiance Savings? Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a bank. I thought it was something else. Yeah. Oh, it's a nice place. Old businesses, nice, big downtown, huge downtown. First time I see a downtown this big. Yeah. Got all that. Nice. It's beautiful here. Some old buildings too. Oh, I love the city. This city is nice. All right. Yeah. All right. So right here, it looks like an old theater, but this walk all the way out, all the way up north. Yeah, it looks nice. Looks nice. Yeah, that's a nice theater right there. All right, let's walk back to our car. It looks nice. Look at that. Building, business. Ooh, businesses, restaurant. It's nice. Oh my, this is beautiful. Oh, you got music center, or they sell music stuff right here. Looks nice. Use or whatever, but it looks nice. What's the name? Rhythmic music. Yeah, looks good. Let's move. Looks nice, dude. This place looks nice. Yeah. You got the hearing, you know, all that. Ooh, wedding planning, photography. Oh, Defiance is what's up. Yeah. The only thing that's bad is that I've never been here before. I don't know if they have festivals or anything like that. I hope they have festivals, because I'm coming. Oh, they have nice gift shop, cards and crystals. Nice, really nice. Yeah. Furnitures, another wedding place, another wedding place. Man, I should not be wearing my my false teeth, because it's like, you know, mispronouncing things, you know. Man, that looks so beautiful here. Look at that. Looks nice. Furniture shop. Downtown is what's up. It's a long stretch, you know. Long stretch. Antique, Fort Defiance antique. All kinds of antique. Nice. Decal. Nice. Yeah. Chamber of Commerce. Nice. Yeah, they're all Defiance Ohio is what's up, bud. Yeah. Oh man, it's really nice, you know. Yeah. Well, we have to wait for the light. Nice. I'm lucky enough to be here, you know. You have Switzer, Realty, downtown stuff. Ooh. I hate when they put music in the street, because YouTube might, you know, say it's copyright. Oh, it's closed right now, but they have, you know, they make shirts, vintage stuff. Oh, that's the one. What is this? Cabin Fever Coffee. Yeah, that's what's up. Defiance Karate, like a dojo. Yeah. Oh, they're renovating this. Yeah. Downtown. Nice. Oh, let's make sure that it's, you know, that's the map. Downtown Defiance. Yes. Yeah. That place down there is nice too. Yeah. That one is nice. Everything here is beautiful. Alright guys, I'm ready to head home, head back. So our journey in Defiance, Ohio has come to an end. And don't forget to subscribe. It's for good cause. Alright? Good cause. Alright. Woo! Back to the car.